Here's the 36-inch SMC Industrial ceiling fan that is installed in the garage of my house. This fan's been up here for about 5 years. I got it from a yard sale. I think I paid around $6 for it. It came 100% complete. It's not in the best shape. It has a little rust in the bottom of it, and the lower canopy's yellowed. Came with the control too, which is right there. That's a bit yellowed as well. The upper canopy though was actually brand new. I don't think they used it when they had this installed. But yeah, I'll show you the old tag up here too. It's up here somewhere. Right there. There's the tag. And I'm not sure the date on the fan, but it has one little sticker. I'm not sure if it's from 1979 because it says 7908 right there. So I'm not too sure about the date. If you guys can tell me if that says anything related to the date, please put a comment in the comment section, because I'm kind of clueless about the date of the fan. Without further ado though, we'll start it off. Starting on speed 5. Excuse the sound, the door for the garage is creaking. Has some bearing noise, but it's not too bad. It's moving a pretty decent amount of air right now. On speed 5. I'm just gonna shut the door. Might be better. Take up speed 4. Not much of a difference. Just a little bit faster. Speed 3. Now, I did not show this fan in the Fans in My House video, as I did not really feel like coming outside. But it is out here. It's doing a good job on speed 3 or speed 2. It's really good fan. Very good. And it fits in just right in this spot too. It's really close to that trim right there. So it was kind of a tight fit right here, but it manages to fit just right. It was high. Speed 1. It's going really fast. And it's moving a ton of air. And I'll shut it off. And that's really about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.